Great morning, my dear students. Welcome to the science class. My name is Jyoti and I'm your science educator. And today we are going to discuss about the question answer of the chapter, that is materials of daily use, clothes. And we have discussed about the internal question answers of this chapter, and today we are going to discuss about the NCERT question answers of this chapter. So let's start discussing the question answers. Question number 1 is, give the classification of fibers based on their origin. Answer is, based on their origin, fabrics can be classified into following categories. Fabrics can be divided into two categories, that is natural fabric and synthetic fabric. Natural fabric is further divided into two categories, that is animal fabric and plant fabric. Natural fabrics are made up of fibers obtained from natural sources, and synthetic fabrics manufactured in factories using chemicals. That's why they are known as synthetic fabrics. And animal fabrics are those which are obtained from animal sources, and plant fabrics are those which are obtained from plants. Question number 2 is, write a short note on history of clothing. We have to tell about the history of the clothing. Answer is, in ancient times, people used to cover their bodies with bark and big leaves of trees or animal skin and furs. People just used to wrap these around various parts of the body in different ways. Later, they started weaving and twisting of plants and fleece or hairs into long strands, which were further weaved into fabrics. At that time, stitching was not known to people. They just simply used to wrap a big piece of a cloth around them. And this is how saris worn by women originated in India. And at that time, they also don't know how to weave the clothes. That's why they just used to cover their bodies with bark and big leaves of the trees or animal skins and furs. Then after that, people just wrap this around their various body parts. Okay. Question number 3 is, how is cotton obtained from cotton balls? And the answer is, when cotton balls burst open, cotton is handpicked and then fibers are separated from seeds by process of ginning. As you all know that every year during spring season, new cotton seeds are planted. The fruit of the cotton plant, that is cotton balls, are about the size of the lemon. Okay, and when the crop grows to maturity, the cotton ball bursts and open, and seeds with their fibers are harvested. Cotton is usually handpicked from the cotton balls, and the separation of the fibers from the seeds is known as process of ginning. Question number 4 is, how is jute obtained from jute plants? And the answer is, jute plants are harvested after flowering and before they turn into seeds. And second point is, the harvested plants are kept immersed in water for a few days to soften the tissue. And the third point is, then fibers will be separated easily. This process is called retting. And you all know that jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant, and it is a rainy season crop and grows best in warm and humid weather. And after that, jute plants are harvested after flowering and before they turn into seeds. Then they are immersed in the water for few days. It is done to soften the tissue, and this process is known as retting. Okay, I hope this question is clear to you. Question number 6 is, why do different types of people wear different types of clothes? Answer is, different types of people wear different types of clothes depending upon the weather conditions and their culture. So, it is depend on their culture as well as on the weather condition, that the climatic condition will be very important to wear the clothes. For example, we wear woolen clothes in winters and the cotton clothes in summers. So, on the basis of their environmental conditions or the weather condition, we wear clothes. Question number 7 is, what are the conditions required to grow cotton? Answer is cotton grows best in black soil, and the black soil is very important for the growth of cotton plant because black soil has the ability to retain moisture and it is best suited for the cultivation of the cotton plant. And the second requirement is it requires temperature ranging from 21 degrees C to 27 degrees Celsius because it grows best in warm weather. And third point is it requires rainfall between 50 centimeter to 80 centimeter for its adequate growth or for its proper growth. The rainfall is very important. Question number 8 is from which part of the plant is cotton balls obtained or cotton obtained? Answer is cotton is obtained from the cotton balls which are the fruit of the cotton plant. So it is obtained from the cotton balls and it is the size of lemon and it is also known as the fruit of the cotton plant. So today we have completed 8 question answers of NCERT and tomorrow we will discuss about the rest question answers of the 4th chapter, that is materials of daily use clothes. Thank you for watching this video.